Yahya Sinwar is the current Palestinian leader of Hamas in the Gaza Strip, having taken over from Ismail Haniyeh in February 2017. He was one of the co-founders of the security apparatus of Hamas. He is the second most powerful figure within Hamas. In September 2015, Sinwar was designated a terrorist by the United States government, and Hamas and the Al-Qassam brigades have also been designated terrorist organizations by the United States and other countries and organizations. Sinwar was born Yahya Ibrahim Hassan Sinwar in 1962, in a refugee camp in Khan Yunis, when it was under Egyptian rule, where he spent his early years. After he graduated from high school at Khan Yunis Secondary School for Boys, he went on to the Islamic University of Gaza, where he received a bachelor's degree in Arabic studies. Sinwar was first arrested in 1982 for subversive activities, and he served several months in the Farah prison, where he met other Palestinian activists, including Salah Shehad, and dedicated himself to the Palestinian cause. Arrested again in 1985, upon his release he together with Rohai Mushtaha co-founded the Munazimat al-Jihad al-Dawa security organization, which worked to, inter alia, identify Israeli spies in the Palestinian movement, and which in 1987 became the police of Hamas. In 1988, he masterminded the abduction and killing of 2 Israeli soldiers, was arrested, convicted of murder, and sentenced in 1989 to 4 life sentences. He tried to escape several times but was always caught. Sinwar served 22 years of his sentence before being released in 2011 and repatriated to Gaza as part of the prisoner exchange for Israeli soldier Gilad Shalit. In February 2017, Sinwar was elected Hamas leader in the Gaza Strip, taking over from Ismail Haniyeh. In March, he established a Hamas-controlled administrative committee for the Gaza Strip, which meant that he opposed any power sharing with the Palestinian Authority in Ramallah. Sinwar rejects any reconciliation with Israel. He has called on militants to capture more Israeli soldiers. In September 2017, a new round of negotiations with the Palestinian Authority began in Egypt, and Sinwar agreed to dissolve the Hamas Administrative Committee for Gaza. More recently, he has silenced hardline voices in Gaza, overruling the use of tunnels that Mohammed Deif wanted to use to sneak fighters into Israel before they were shut down by new classified Israeli technology in 2017. On the 16th of May 2018, in an unexpected announcement on Al Jazeera, Sinwar stated that Hamas would pursue peaceful, popular resistance, opening the possibility that Hamas, which is considered a terrorist organization by many countries, may play a role in negotiations with Israel. A week earlier, he had encouraged Gazans to breach the Israeli siege, saying, "We would rather die as martyrs than die out of oppression and humiliation," and adding, "We are ready to die, and tens of thousands will die with us." In March 2021, he was elected to a second 4-year term as the head of Hamas Gaza branch in an election held in secret. He is the highest-ranking Hamas official in Gaza and Gaza's de facto ruler, as well as the second most powerful member of Hamas after Ismail Haniyeh. On the 15th of May 2021, an Israeli airstrike was reported to have hit the home of the Hamas leader. There were no immediate details of any deaths or injured. The strike took place in the region of southern Gaza in the midst of ever-growing tension between Israel and Palestine. On the 1st of December 2020, Sinwar tested positive for COVID-19 and was reportedly following the advice of health authorities and taking precautionary measures. A spokesman for the group also said that he was in good health and pursuing his duties as usual.